Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Kabbage alternatives for cash flow and taxes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your cash flow and tax needs. Research Kabbage alternatives that suit your business model. Visit the official website of each alternative for detailed information. Compare their features, fees, and customer reviews. Select a few options that best align with your financial goals. Create a list of required documents for the application process. Fill out each application form with accurate business information. Provide necessary documentation like tax returns and bank statements. Review the terms and conditions carefully before submitting. Submit your applications to the selected alternatives. Wait for confirmation and approval from each platform. Check your email regularly for updates regarding your applications. Once approved, download the mobile applications if available. Set up your account by following the on-screen instructions. Link your business bank account to facilitate cash flow management. Explore the dashboard to understand available features and tools. Use budgeting tools provided to track your expenses and income. Monitor your cash flow regularly to ensure a healthy financial status. Review your tax obligations within each platform. Consider consulting a tax professional for tailored advice. Utilize any specific tax features offered by the alternatives. Stay updated on changes in tax laws that could affect your business. Adjust your cash flow strategies as required throughout the year. Keep records organized for easy tax preparation at year-end. Continue to evaluate your chosen alternatives for necessary adjustments. Make changes to your account as your business needs evolve. Use the resources and support offered by the platforms to optimize your experience. Finalize your decisions based on your ongoing cash flow needs and tax planning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.